I'm just gonna give it to you guys straight. A lot of people are upset about their CS2 investments, whether they're buying cases, skins, I mean stickers, it doesn't matter. A lot of people are not happy with the prices right now, and I'm maybe one of those people. I'm like a newer investor, so I get it. I get it. I've came over from the stock market and the crypto market, so I trade all of these, so I understand all of it at this point. And the market's gonna be irrational, but that's why in this video we're gonna go over the correlations between them, because there's correlations, there's different things you have to take away from all these different markets. If you're not using these takeaways, you're really just hurting yourself in the long run. You're hurting your portfolio. You're hurting like any chances to make money and be successful. You're hurting them, and that's what you don't want to do. So we're gonna go straight into this, and please drop a like and subscribe, because you need this knowledge, man. Like, this is knowledge. Don't wait 5 years to just get it on your own. You know, you could be 5 years ahead. So be 5 years ahead. Don't be 5 years behind. Yeah, guys, we're on Price Empire. We have a nice little chart right here. We have the market cap of CS2, current 2.9 billion. You're like, dang, 2.9 billion? Yeah, it's earned it. Let's be honest, it's earned it. So we have the CS2 users, the market cap. This is the CS2 market cap. So here, this is where we have the peak, where it's gonna start out with this peak. This is when things were popping, man. This is when things were popping. Like, CS2 just got announced. Like, everyone was so excited. All the prices were going to the moon. You had Dr. Disrespect making videos, Ninja making videos, just anybody you can think of, Aiden Ross, all these people doing case openings. Yeah, it was pushing stuff to the moon. So there you see the market cap was 4.2 billion, and then you see CS2 users, S&P 500 price. So it's sort of nice to have all these on one. Then you have the come down, you see, and right here it even shows us this is where the gambling bans took effect. So we're still down from that point, but after that it rebounds a little bit. We come up, CS2 comes out. A lot of people were upset with CS2. A lot of people were upset that there was a lot of like bug issues, that they still didn't have a lot of stuff figured out. Like, some skins were broken, some stickers were broken. Like, people will be having stickers on their guns and they don't even look the same. I mean, like, yeah, that's gonna make people mad. But like, from that point, this is where it started to really change. It's where it started to take like more of a darker turn, and we are going to talk about SPY and crypto, so just wait, and you'll want to make sure you watch this whole video, guys. So we're coming down from here, and in October, this is when it really, you can almost see a flip right here. You can almost see a flip with this blue line and the green line, which is the crypto price, the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is that granddaddy coin that moves all other coins below it. So that's the one you have to watch. It is pretty much to the market what S&P 500 is to the entire stock market. So this is where Bitcoin 26,000, 27, and like it starts to break over 30. If you don't know, in Bitcoin, when it makes these big dollar moves, like these $10,000 moves, people are like, you know what, maybe I'm missing out on something. You know, maybe I'm missing out. And maybe some of these same people that are younger, you know, I'm 24, maybe these people are like 20 to 30. They're like in the crypto market, and they're also in the CS2 market. Maybe some of these people are like, you know what, maybe I want to sell some of my CS2 skins, get into the crypto market more, because I think it's going to be able to pump more than CS2 prices right now. And they're right. I mean, if the people did that, truly, if the people did that, they were right. I mean, you can see on the charts, it doesn't matter what chart you look at, like AVAX, all these different altcoins just mooning up like crazy. If you were one of the people that sold your CS2 skins and put it instantly into the crypto market at that point, you did the right move. But it's a degenerate move. It's a degenerate move. I'm not gonna lie to you. S&P 500. S&P 500 is pretty solid. I mean, you can't expect like too big of movements unless you get like a crash. So like that little purple line up there, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Crypto, when it moves, it's always gonna outperform the stock market, when it's moving. Stock market's more consistent. But like you see here, we start to get like more of like a range. So we start at this heavy point, we come down again. This was like the worst point we've had. So this level right here, the CS2 level, 2.7 billion. This is literally like a level from February. From February, I mean, you know, just going all the way back. I mean, really, it's pretty low, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is pretty low. But at that point, with these other markets ripping, like, wouldn't you guys think it would be at least a somewhat solid investment to possibly put more money into skins? I know some of you are down big, but when you really look at it, we can look at some of these other trending items. I mean, so here's just one example, guys, of something that had a buff. So this is, I got a pair of Knox. I got 0.18 field tested. Right, that's pretty low for being field tested. These had an upgrade. So you see here on some of these charts, down here at 205, they got upgraded almost instantly up to 300. You know, 30% moves. 30% moves. It's really crazy. Just because they don't look like default gloves anymore. Like these, it's just an example of how there's markets within markets. Like, yes, this is a full market, but there's also opportunities within this market, as there are any market. And as you make more investments, you'll like soon come to figure this out yourself as well. So for me now, I know, and you guys should know too, that the developers with Valve, the developers behind CS2, they know what they're doing. It may be slow, it may be annoying. You may like wonder, dude, why are they wasting their opportunity? It's almost Christmas. They probably have a plan. They're doing these small little leaks. They're teasing things. Like, the silence is a good thing. People don't like it, but the silence is a good thing. Because you don't want CS2 to be talking too much. You don't want them to be talking too much and then like underperform expectations. You would rather them just stay quiet and then just drop us the best update that CS2 has ever seen. And if that's what you want, you need to join my Discord in the description below. Join that up, man. Join me on Twitter. Like, it's this market, you just don't want to miss out, man. Like if you want to miss out, go ahead. But I'm not, you know, I don't care if I don't gain any followers from it or get any fame from this at all. This is like purely about money. And I want those people on my team, like the people who are grinding, wanting better for themselves in life. That's what I want, man. I want you guys to join me on this journey. And if you're interested, man, please click the next video. You should see it somewhere here. We have all kinds of CS2 investing videos now. We need more likes on them. I'm going to work to get better on them. And I hope I see you guys in the next video. Peace.